Sam here. You have a call for me? Okay. Who is it? Oprah? I wonder what that them multi-billionaire want with me now. Oh, Jesus, she had nothing for the... put it through. I'm working on a report. And Oprah only know me when she wants something. Or when I hit a take her. Alright, what's that? Yes. Hello? Yes, Oprah. What can I do for you? What is it? What you want out of my life, girl? Yeah, well, I'm just going through it, aren't I, darling? Yes, I'm going through it with the waste man that I have. I want to get rid of him ras. Oprah. Man, I don't, you know, I don't want none of them. Yeah, hear me? Yeah, I'm working on a few projects. I'm quite busy right now, and you're taking up all my time. That is going to cost you, darling. How much money you have? Yeah, you need to send me some check. Look how much billions of dollars you have. What you mean, so, girl? Send me a check. Easter soon comes. Send me a check. We want a check. Anyway, what is it? I'm doing some investigation on your friend. Yeah, Trump. Cause me a multi. Yes, I'm going to tell you what it's all about. Now, you know, the elite, them know, like yourself. I don't even know if you're not part of the equation. Because sometimes, Oprah, I don't know about you. I love you, but I don't know about you sometimes. Well, this is what your friends them don't know. So you better be careful before them clone you. They have this new thing now where they're even using real human tissues and organs, yeah? And they're making robotic clones, honey. Yeah, yeah. And if you have money, which you do, even when you die, it doesn't really matter because you're going to reincarnate again. You know why? Because they have a device which they store all your mental memory on this. And then they insert it in the clone through the spine, by the neck. And they're able to live out your life that you had previously. Or if you want to make any changes to them, you want to be slimmer. Like, oh, you have a weird problem like myself, without being funny. They can program it, yeah? You need to be slimmer. The slimmer version is, if you want to change your eye color from green to blue, or from blue to grey, them can do that. Mister, listen, the world soon end. You know, Oprah, the world soon end. God, so you better stop the slackness in Hollywood and do the right thing. And let me tell you something. Me sure say Trump is a clone, one of them. Because he don't really like you. He don't even like to pay him damn taxes. Damn thief. That's why the Bible said the rich will get richer and the poor, the little bit the poor house will be taken away. And the Bible not lie. May I tell you now, hell not go able to contain the amount of wickedness the elite rich people them are one with them. You said the devil are one bad now. Look at the technology now that they can clone you and you can live on and live on. Them call it slaves. And let me tell you something. When that body is tired and have no more purpose, then can put it in the next body. I want this. Lord have mercy. I want to go to Africa. I think I'm going to take a trip with Hillary. When last you talked to Hillary? A while. Well, I'm going to tell you something you know, Oprah. Keep your mouth closed. Because if me hear it, that me know say you're going to come where you there and bust your ass. No laugh. Listen, you know say Hillary agreed for an African chief, which is a deacon for the church. Oprah, no, this is something serious. We just tell her and cuss her off and tell her the other day that she worse than Pinky. Eh? How the go meet this here broad-nosed African boy. Huh? And he's pregnant now. Yeah, she tell Bill. But Bill him can't say no, he no better, you know. You know, say I have a black child out of wedlock. Where you been? I don't know where you been. Is you right up your house or what? Me say Bill have a black pitney, black hole, and the pitney look just like him. Lord of mercy. I tell you, this world is, the people that in it, in our government, is a disgrace. Oprah, the God say how run against the wicked Trump, him, you know. And you know, say the Russian, then they pump and have something and that they son of have. You know what we want to say? Of course, Putin is bending over Trump and pull him up the ass. I'm telling you, excuse me, French, Jesus, oh God, me in trouble with ever know, you know, because me I try to clean up myself, and every time I cuss, Archangel Michael set off the alarm on me. I want this. Yeah, tell you, it's not easy. It's not easy living upon this earth here with these wicked people in our government. May I tell you, I don't know what they're going to say to God when he come back. Anyway, getting back to the situation with these slaves, with these clones. You got clone yourself? Are you real? You're like, why would you do that? Because you got the money and you can do that. You see what I mean? Unruly people is just said, yeah, man, yeah. Anyway, Oprah, they have things to do. Come off of the line. Yeah, and we'll call you back in a few days, but we have things to do. Alright? But thanks for checking in. Bye.